What's up guys, Chris from shotgunheatshield.com. Quick little video on how to install a steel heat shield on a steel barrel. Yes, you are going to scratch your gun, but we're going to mitigate it. So this is a Mossberg Shockwave. It's a thicker barreled weapon, kind of like a Mossberg 590A1 or an 870 Police. But yeah, a lot of customers have problems getting the barrel on, but it's pretty easy. And yes, you are going to scratch it. Do not put electrical tape. It's going to gum up. Just leave it as it is. But what you basically do is you can take a little force. You're going to scratch it. Clip that on. And then just for demonstration purposes, take an old credit card. Do this on both sides, but you create a little ramp, right? And that'll prevent a little bit of the scratching. This is a credit card trick. But boom, squeeze it on, remove it, you're good to go. Use our coupon code, YouTube, all one word, lowercase or uppercase. It's our best coupon, but that's how you put a steel heat shield on. Takes a little grease, a little bit of scratching, but you'll be good to go. Thanks again, guys.